Hey folks, how's it going? And here we've got a Husqvarna hedge cutters, single-sided. It's a 24H. Don't know if this runs. It's got some fuel in it. The handle's a bit messed up here, but I have got in the stash, I found another handle that hopefully will fit in place. So we'll get the plug out, clean the plug, and we'll look at the air filter, make sure that's clean, and then we'll pump some fuel through and see if she'll fire. Bit cruddied up, get that on the wire wheel and give that a quick clean off. That looks a lot better. Doesn't seem any cracking or anything like that. So we'll wind it over and see if she's got a spark there. Turn that on. See if we can get this hold in place while we have a play. We got a good spark on this spark plug, so let's get that back in, and then we can take the air cleaner off and give that a blow and a clean out, and then we'll give it a run. And we have no air cleaner, so let's see if I can find a bit of foam or something going here to for a temporary fix until I order one. I've got some fine foam here. I'll do for now until I order one. Did a test piece, of put a bit of petrol and left it for a bit. It didn't expand, so it doesn't seem too bad. So it'll do for now till like I say, we get a new filter for it. There's a choke on it, and then the throttle there. So get the screw back on, and we'll see if she'll fire. It's definitely petrol getting through, so it's squirting out the bottom when you use that primer. So we've got a good spark, so it should fire pretty good really. So, shall we try it? We'll prime it a bit more. Press the float one there. Set that on. And then let's choke us up. That was a fire. Definitely a fire. I'll take the choke off. They run mint. Let's get this handle swapped out, and we'll go see if they cut. This is basically the two 10mm nuts here. Someone's tried to repair this with what looks like spray foam and fasteners. Seems to be doing the job, like, but we've got the spare, so let's see if the spare will fit. 2 washers there. That's the spare. Oh, sweet. Fits nice. That looks good. Let's get set up outside and we'll see if it'll cut. See how the gearbox blades and the clutch are. There we have it. Husqvarna 24H. Unsure the age, but they work pretty good. Got through some pretty thick stuff back there, so yeah, happy they work. Happy I had to spare the handle. That one looks a bit crap compared to the this one. Sweet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.